All right, hello. I'm going to show you here how to add your program code to your digital portfolio. So if you forget, under Create Task, Program Code, you have all the instructions right here, right? So you need to copy your whole code, turn it into a PDF. We need to use an oval for the algorithm that you are talking about in your written response. So the algorithm where you're explaining how you have an algorithm within an algorithm, has the math and the logic. Whatever algorithm you're choosing to talk about in the question, that's what you need to mark with the oval. Okay, just one oval is fine, just the one that you're writing about. Similarly, you need one rectangle, and this will show you your abstraction. Okay, this last rule include comments for code that's been written by someone else. Most of you wrote your own code, but if you say YouTubed a certain part, a certain code, and you copied it exactly like what the YouTube video or online said, then you need to add a comment and credit that someone else made that, not you. If you were inspired by something you found on YouTube, but you modified it, you personalized it, that's okay. But if it's literally copied and put into your code, you need to acknowledge that. Okay, otherwise you should be good. So here's my fake create task. Not saying it's good, it's just an example. I need to get this code into eventually a PDF. So for now, I've made a Google Doc blank, and that's where I'm going to copy and paste my images. So to get the images, I recommend go to the little window, bottom left corner, to use the snipping tool. If it doesn't show up, you can type it. Click here. It'll gray out your screen and you just drag what you want an image of. So I'll go to line 34 right now. On this, you can actually get the pen and draw. Ooh, your rectangle, but I'm a little awkward with it. And my ovals, I don't even know. Actually, that's not too bad. But if you want it to look a little nicer, what you can do, let's get rid of these. Oh, come on. All right, we can file, save as. Let's save this image to, say, our desktop. I'll call it part 1. From your desktop, we can right-click part 1 and go to Edit, and that allows you to use fancy shapes. So I can get a square. Ooh, look how nice that is. You can get your oval. Again, this is just an example. I'm not really showing algorithms or abstraction, just an example. When you're happy with it, you want to file, save as. There we go, save, save, save. And then in that Google Doc, I am then going to insert, find that image that I put on my desktop, and I called it part 1. Boom, there we go. You might need to make it a little larger so we can see it, format it however you like. Keep going until all of your code is here. Last step is you want to go to File, Download as a PDF. Okay, it'll save to your computer, know where that goes, where it's saved. And then from Digital Portfolio, I don't have it, but you have the upload button. You're going to upload that PDF and say submit. Again, you do not need to finalize yet. You just need to have it submitted. Okay, so when it says, oh, warning or error, College Board won't read it unless it's finalized, that is fine. Okay, that's how you add your program code.